Barnaby's beats.
Pack your bag and come with me through the hills and past the trees, jumping stones and climbing high. Adventure waits beneath the sky. A redbird singing in the sun, buzzing bees and lots of fun. Every step's a chance to see a great big world for you and me.
Come explore with Barnaby,
Sing and dance so happily,
happily.
learn together on the way. New discoveries every day.
Over rivers, through the trees, across the land and ocean breeze.
Helping friends wherever we go. There's so much.
In the world to know.
Triangle rocks can point the way. Circle ponds where frogs all play. Counting footsteps.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Nature is our classroom, see. Healthy snacks and water too. Strong and happy, just like you. Sharing smiles along the trail. Working together, we can't fail. Big blue ocean